In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome, your internet access is blocked. If you're seeing the message, your internet access is blocked, ERR network access denied, it usually means something on your computer or network is stopping Chrome from getting online. The good news is your Wi-Fi probably isn't completely broken. Let's walk through the most effective fixes in order, keeping it simple and safe. First, confirm whether the problem is only in Chrome. Open another browser like Edge or Firefox, or try an app that needs the internet, such as a streaming or chat app. If those work, the issue is specific to Chrome. If nothing connects at all, you're likely dealing with a broader network problem. Next, restart everything. Close and reopen Chrome, then restart your computer, and finally reboot your Wi-Fi router. A quick restart clears temporary glitches that can confuse network connections. If that didn't help, temporarily turn off your antivirus and firewall to test. Security tools sometimes block Chrome by mistake. Disable them briefly, try loading a page in Chrome, and if it works, add Chrome as an allowed app in your security settings. If it doesn't change anything, turn your protection back on right away to stay safe online. Now check for VPNs or proxy settings. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Chrome's access. Open your system's network settings, look for the proxy section, and turn it off. If you use a VPN app, disconnect it and test Chrome again. Clear Chrome's cache next. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Choose All Time as the range and click Clear Data. Corrupted or outdated cache files can block connections to sites. If you still can't connect, reset Chrome settings. Type Chrome/settings/reset into the address bar and choose Restore settings to their original defaults. This puts Chrome back to a clean state without removing your saved bookmarks or passwords. Then, disable extensions. Go to Chrome/extensions. Turn everything off and test Chrome. If it works, turn extensions back on one at a time to find the one causing trouble and leave that one off or replace it. Finally, perform a stronger network reset. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then run these two commands one at a time: ipconfig, flush DNs, and netsh winsock reset. When they finish, restart your computer. This clears DNS and network stack issues that can block Chrome. Try these steps in order, and you should be back online in Chrome.